Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's February 6th and we're doing a video every day just announcing what's going on with our launch of Flux Local. This is what Flux Local looks like when you log in. All you have to do is enter your country, city, state, neighborhood, whatever it is for your country. Then decide how often you're going to send your local newsletter. So do you want to do a daily? Do you want to do a weekend update? Do you want to do one that covers the whole week? And this is going to generate your local newsletter for you. It's going to discover all the local events and it's going to put it into an optimized and personalized local newsletter. You can put your name in it. AI is going to do the research, the writing for you. This is going to take a job that could take you like an hour or two and turn it into just minutes. It's the 6th today. We launched on the 2nd. And all I want to do in this video is talk to you about the lifetime deals. Now, we do have a giveaway. I did want to write that down so I didn't forget. That's actually mentioned in the previous video. So just go back on this channel, or what I'll do is I'll get a little card to pop up somewhere on the screen now with the word giveaway. You can watch that video and learn about the giveaway, but it does close on Monday. So just be aware that you haven't got a lot of time if you would like to enter the giveaway. But like I said, today I want to focus on the lifetime deal. But before I do that, I want to make you aware of two things we're doing on the channel that will help you out. And to get involved in these, all you need to do on this video or any video is comment the word video or carousel or both of them. The reason for that is, as you can see, this is the back end of our YouTube channel. We get back to everybody that comments on our videos. You can see we've got this person here, Kitchen Know-How HQ. They commented on this video because that's the one we mentioned AI carousels in. And the fact that we're building a tool, we're considering building a tool that will create AI carousels for you specifically for local businesses. It's not a generic Canva tool. This is just for local newsletter businesses that want to build AI carousels. So what you can do essentially is you take the newsletter you create in Flux Local, you bring it over into the AI tool, and it will create a carousel for you using that information. Carousels do really well on Instagram and Facebook for getting organic traffic for local newsletters. That's why we're building it. But we can build a small, very basic version for ourselves using our own newsletters, or we can build something like this that looks great, that's easy for you guys to use, and you can use it to save yourself a ton of time. Because after writing the newsletter, getting the social media graphics created is one of the things that takes the longest. So if you want that, if you think you would find that useful, just mention carousel, and then we can get into the process of building it and launching it for you in March. The other thing we've got here is video, because in this video here that I made, which I highly recommend you watch, it's actually the third part in a series where I break down a local newsletter, which if you're a beginner to local newsletters would be a great model to copy. So this is the third video. You can watch the full series. But in this one, I talk about AI tools for creating your local newsletter. And right at the end, I talk about video, because AI carousels are great, but video is also great. Now, video is harder to make than an AI carousel. And I just said in this one, if you'd like any training on how to do video effectively and use as much AI as possible to make it easy for you, but to not make it feel like really disconnected from your community, then comment the word video. So like I said, on this YouTube video that you're watching, or anyone on the channel, you just put the keyword carousel, put the keyword video. If I get enough interest, I can do that follow-up video training, and I can get started on making a tool that creates carousels for your local newsletter based on the local newsletter you write. It doesn't have to be made with Flux Local, but however you write it. So as I said, what I want to talk about now is our lifetime deals, because I want to try and save you guys some money. First thing I want to say is these lifetime deals are not going to be around forever. We're not planning on doing them for a long time. We want to do them at the beginning of the launch of this software, but eventually this will be our pricing. So I just want to show you what the pricing is per month. And then what I want to do is show you the lifetime deal. So you can get started on the free plan. And we actually have enterprise credits included in the free plan right now. So you get 2 enterprise searches before you get put onto the free account. So you can see the kind of newsletter that you're going to get if you went for the enterprise plan, and it will give you a feel for the pro plan as well. Then you'll get put onto the free plan, which just gives you RSS feeds and Facebook, which would be enough to get started, but then you're just going to have to do a little bit more manual searches. But this plan was never designed for somebody who is serious about starting a local newsletter. It's there so you can come in and test the tool, press all the buttons, you know, explore, see what it does, you know, click all these buttons, figure out what's going on in the back end, play around with the RSS feeds, and then make your decision on whether you want to buy or not. But for $49 a month, you get 5 event sources, you get 500 searches a month. So that's basically, let me just show you every time you hit this button, which is going to be more than enough for anybody. And then unlimited newsletters. So when you can make as many newsletters as you want. So every time you make a newsletter, it gets saved in the back end here. So you're going to get unlimited newsletters for that. The enterprise, what it's going to give you is it's going to give you more searches and it's going to give you more sources, which means that you are going to be able to add in more information. And then instead of, you know, your newsletter nearly being there, it's probably going to be, you know, 90, 95, 98% done. And it also includes all future sources. So we're developing this, we're building this, okay? We're adding to it all the time. So for example, this week we added this need help button. It sounds small, but this means, you know, you get an issue, you can contact us straight away. So we're building this out for you guys based on your feedback. Like I said, you give us feedback, we respond, we act on it. You give us feedback here, we can make this tool better for you. So we're always trying to develop it, meaning that we're also going to be adding sources in the future, and if you're on the enterprise plan, then you will get those updates. The lifetime deal then. The lifetime deals kind of match with the pricing on the other page. So pro plan here, $49 a month, or you can get the pro lifetime deal for a one-off payment of $149. You get Facebook, you get Eventbrite, you get the manual RSS, you get 250 searches a month, unlimited newsletters. Okay, that's the pro lifetime deal as it stands right now. So not a carbon copy, but pretty similar to what you're going to get in the pro, sort of between these two. Then on the enterprise plan, the enterprise lifetime deal, $299, this is what you're getting in it. So you've got all of these sources, 1,000 searches a month, which like I said is more than enough, and unlimited newsletters if you go for that one. And then the Enterprise Plus lifetime deal as it stands at the moment, $499. You're going to get all of these sources. You get 2,500 searches a month. And we also have, if you are on Enterprise Plus, we have got the community. This is a community that we are in. We built it specifically for those that are taking part in the lifetime deal. And that means if you have any questions about starting, building, growing, monetizing your local newsletter, we are going to be in this community. This community is not thousands of people. This is a handful of people and myself and Troy supporting you while you grow your local newsletter, while you monetize it, helping you with Facebook ads, helping you with outreach to get sponsors and advertisers, helping you with picking, you know, the right platforms that you want to use in order to create your social media with AI. Like anything you need help with, we are in this community. So that's why this is such a great plan, because you're not just getting Flux Local, but you're getting that support, you're getting that mentorship, you're getting access to us. So if you get stuck at any point, we can help you. So they are the lifetime deals as they stand today. If you would like to get hold of these, all you got to do, go down into the comments, put LTD, and I'll send you the link. It's that easy if you want to get hold of the lifetime deals. So make sure you go over to the pricing page. I'll put the pricing page link in as well if you type LTD. So you can get to this page and you can check it out. You can get to this page here and you can check it out and you can decide just what's the best fit for you. We've tried to make this as flexible as possible so you can decide what it is that you need right now. Consider what you need in the future and then you can pick the best fit. I'll give you another update tomorrow on how things are going. Remember, the giveaway closes on Monday if you'd like to enter that one, and I'll see you in the next video.